Hi Daymar instructors, you're about to watch a training video on how to use Connect in your course. Connect is McGraw-Hill's homework and assessment platform that will integrate with Canvas. The screen you're looking at now is a custom training site that we've built for all Daymar instructors. The website is successinhighered.com/Daymar. We hope that you can use this site for all of your training needs. Once you get to the site, click on the product you're using. In most cases, it'll be Connect. Alex is using the math course. In the Connect tab, you'll find a lot of information, including how to pair your course with Canvas, set your due dates, look at reports, and also how to contact tech support and provide students with information on how to register the first day of class. Before we jump into the training, I just wanted to quickly explain to you what Connect is and how you should think about using it in your class. Connect is a homework and assessment platform that is going to be used for certain assignments in your course. In Canvas, you'll see instructions for students to link out to Connect, and that's where they'll click on a Connect icon, which will bring them to this work. A few benefits of using Connect. One is that most assignments are automatically graded. This allows you to pull reports, which will allow you to adjust the time you spend with students to meet them where they are and teach to their knowledge gaps. It integrates with Canvas, which means that once you pair or integrate your course, when you click on the Connect icon, you'll have single sign-on access, meaning you don't have to log in to both platforms. And once your students complete activities, you are able to sync their grades back to your Canvas gradebook. Using Connect also includes powerful reporting tools. We will review these tools in the training, but you can also find more information on the reports available on the Success site right under Managing Your Course. We wish you the best of luck in your class. Please contact your McGraw-Hill local representative if you have any questions. Thank you.
So my name is Kim Wellborn, and I am part of the implementation team here at McGraw-Hill. And basically, it's my job to help instructors to learn our digital products, as well as kind of be here as a resource for you. So if you have questions throughout your use, you can certainly reach out to myself or your original implementation consultant, Courtney Tucker, who is on maternity leave and will be back in about a month. We'll kind of switch over to that role when she comes back as well. But feel free to reach out if you have questions or need more one-on-one hand-holding. So first off, we're going to start by kind of introducing a site that will be posted, I believe, on your Canvas. They're going to put together this page, and basically it's a resource for you. What it has in it is, first off, the pairing with Connect and Canvas. So you're going to access your Connect course through your Canvas course. You're going to go through Canvas to get to Connect. Another thing that you're going to be doing is setting those course dates. So the Connect course will be copied over to you, so you'll just have to go in and kind of switch the dates. And then also once students work on those assignments, how to sync those grades back to Canvas, as well as a couple other helpful links here, like student extensions and first day of class stuff. Another thing to point out on this document is that we also have our tech support information right here. It's going to say the days and times they're open, along with a chat support and an email support, which will also be available to you and your students if you have any questions, outside the normal business hours. Maybe tech support can help you. As you can see, they have kind of late hours here. And then also if you have technical issues. So I'm just going to show you how the pairing works, because that's kind of the first step. Switch over here. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're all going to log into your Canvas. Once you log into your Canvas course, you're then going to select the course that you wish to pair with your Connect course. So I know at least one person was on my last training. So if you have 2 courses, you will be doing the pairing 2 separate times. Once for pairing the course for this class, and once for the other. So I've chosen the course, and then I'm going to look for the modules. And it might be grayed out, but even if it is, go ahead and click on it. And once you click on it, you should see the McGraw-Hill link pop up here. Once you click on that, you'll be able to click on Load in a new window, and it's going to pop this up. And you're going to check the Agree to the Terms and get started. And then you can go ahead and select Existing Course, because these courses are going to be shared to you. Then you'll be able to see your course. It won't say Walnut course. It will say whatever course you're teaching. And you can go ahead and select that and hit Save. And that's basically all you need to do for the pairing. On the right side of the lock, you can then go to your Connect page. And on the left side over here, there's your MH Campus. And here's your MH Campus that's taking you back to Canvas. Any questions about the pairing? If you need this document, again, it's going to be available to you. If you want additional help, I can help you one-on-one. Take us 5-10 minutes to get it paired, and then you'll be good to go. So let me know afterwards. You can send me an email or whatnot if you want some additional help. So I'm just going to jump over to Connect, which is where the pairing would then take us, and show you the Connect side of things. So we have our Home tab, our Library tab, and our Performance tab here. And what you're going to notice is that the majority of everything you do is right here on the Home tab. You can see below the Home tab, you're going to see the No Messages to show you are able to post messages to your student's class. However, most instructors will usually use email or Canvas here. But then below that, it says No Assignments to Grade. If there is anything that you need to grade, there are some things I believe that you'll want to look at. You'll want to put a point value on, things like short answer and essay questions. This will light up and allow you to click on it and see what you need to grade and go through those. Below that is all the assignments here, and they're going to be listed. So you're going to notice you basically have 2 types of assignments. You have our Learn, Smart, Achieve, so I'm just going to click in and kind of show you exactly what that is. And it's just going to load up here for us. The students are going to do is tune in. So our little coach here is basically going to tell you what I'm going to tell you. And tuning in is just kind of reading these little passages and then answering the question here below, and also your confidence level. So it's going to take in consideration your confidence level and the fact that you got it partially correct. And what I'm working towards doing is mastering this basically chapter 1, point 1 sentences here at 100%, which I'm at 4% right now. So as I'm answering questions, it's getting an idea of where I am, of what I understand and what I don't. So I'm going to go ahead and answer a few of these and hopefully get to the focus here shortly. So it's taking in consideration that I basically don't know anything here. So then it's going to have me focus on what I don't know, which is going to be quite a bit. So the focusing is really going to have some type of learning value. It'll have different things to teach you, such as little animations, little kind of PowerPoints, things to read, things to watch. So I go through all of these, kind of gathering information. And eventually I'll get to a practice part where I'm able to then demonstrate what I've learned. And then the nice thing about this is it does give you additional help. So they're going to be doing a lot of these, and they'll be pretty focused. If we look, we can kind of see we've got, should have different topics. So sentences, sentence variety. We go down to verbs. So give you an idea of what's kind of in here, commas. Then with the Learn Smart Achieve, they're also having the students do power process assignments. Let me just kind of give you an idea of what that is. So students are going to come in here and say that they understand when it's due. They're going to start with kind of this this wheel where they can click basically on anything they want. They should start at the before. They go through, they read this, and they're going to answer the question here. Then the student, once they save it, it will bring them back, and they'll do another portion of it. So as they're working on each of these different aspects, before reading, the prediction, the asking questions, during reading, the clarifying the text, and the answering questions about the text, and then kind of the summarizing or the after reading. So after they kind of complete each of these little activities or each of these portions of the pie here, they then would move on to a reflection where they talk about their process here. Answer this in a short answer. And then they also have one more step where they will do kind of a summarizing. Inside of the process, I did want to show you back at the wheel. So some of these are going to have the students read and answer, but you're going to notice that some of the activities in the wheel are going to be annotating. You as an instructor will be able to see all of their answers and all of their annotations. You can write little comments and they save it. And they're going to have a power of process, I believe, for every chapter. Maybe look like you didn't cover 2. Okay, so then one thing that you are going to be responsible for is changing dates. So how you can change dates is you can do multiple assignments at once, or just one at a time, whatever you want to do. Hover up here and you're going to see manage dates. And you can do these either in a bulk, or you can hit individually and go down the line and give them different dates from each other, or the same. And then you do have a library tab. The library tab is going to basically, the only thing you have to worry about in here is the instructor resources. The instructor resources are just additional resources that you can use in class. They have like power process information and just additional things for you as an instructor. And then the performance tab is actually going to have the report. And the reports are going to basically allow you to see the students' scores. So this top report is going to show us all of the students and their scores. However, you will be using your Canvas gradebook, so you'll be able to view the gradebook sync list from where your reports are listed, and it will take you here to be able to view those homework assignments that are ready to be kind of kicked back to Canvas. And so how that's going to be done is you're going to actually select the box next to the assignment that you're ready to kind of kick back over to Canvas. And then you're going to use the drop down here to decide which attempt you want to kick over. So you're going to use best attempt. Then the box is going to come up to tell you it's working on it. So you can close out of this. And you'll then see that column in Canvas made for you. Again, this document is going to be available for you after today's webinar. That is really the basis of what you will need to do as an instructor for the English 101 courses. Does anyone have any questions?